Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to us. Ayan. Gorilla. Where are you? Tara. Ako kayo pindot! Tapos ba? Break ka! Mag-break ka! Ano ka ba? Marunong ka ba mag-drive? Fuck! Bilis! Walang front at saka back? Wala. Ay, no. Marunong ka ba mag-drive? Of course! Langga.
He ran away. We know today what's like. That's why the policeman required us to do this. Okay, so now we are going to Qingyuan. Okay. Anybody can you spell this? Qrn Qrng. Okay, Qingyuan. Yuan. Qingyuan. Yes. Qingyuan, yes. Qingyuan is a city, don't forget, here.
Qingyuan.
Okay.
Qingyuan.
Okay. Okay, 好，明白，懂了。Okay, yeah. So my friend, you see, when we come from Hong Kong, okay, just now we passed a river, a sea area. Opposite of the sea area, that's Hong Kong. Yeah, this is have the sea area. Okay, just now we arrived in Northwood District. Now we are arrived in Nanshan District. This district, right now you can see many new buildings, and actually here have most IT program. This district is very famous for high-tech companies. High-tech. So it means these places have more bogies here. Bogie, yeah, here. Okay, my friend, see your left side, here is the sea area. Actually, opposite of the sea, that's Hong Kong. Yeah. You know, everybody I think you know, here have a bridge named the Shenzhen One Bridge. Shenzhen Bay Bridge. Yes, the bridge where people can drive a car from Hong Kong to mainland China here. Okay, this left side, this place is near in Shenzhen. But right side, opposite, you see the buildings. This right, a little front, that side, that's Hong Kong. Yes. It's quite close, yes. So this is Maganda places, right? This is Nanshan District.
Bakit parang pabumalik din tayo?
Okay, so when we come to Shenzhen, you will see Hong Kong, right? Yes, you see, even for mainland China, Chinese people, if we want to go to Hong Kong for working, it's also very hard to get the working visa. Yes, means because you see, why most of us we can work in Hong Kong. Because we have a very good education, right? Most of us, we graduated from the university or the college, right? Then it's also very hard to get a visa to work in Hong Kong, right? Same for us, even for many Chinese people here. So we graduated from university, and we have most of you see. Yeah. Yesterday, that's not tomorrow, okay? Only today, okay? Not me. Yesterday, I have a boyfriend. Yes, tomorrow, I also have a boyfriend. But today, I'm single. You know why? Because I didn't bring my boyfriend here today. So today, I'm single. Okay? So today, I bring Maganda and the Bogie friend. If you're also same like me, okay? So when we go to city tour, okay? Follow me. Not to follow other Maganda or Bogie. Because they are not single. Only me single today. I want to find many more Bogie friends here. Yeah, if anybody you are interested, follow me, okay? Yes. So jokes, okay? So in mainland China, we can see here have lots of differences. I know everybody, we are much early in the morning, right? So if you bring your some bread or want something to drink or to eat, it is allowed to drinking and eating inside this bus, okay? Yes, but only one thing, because today this bus will follow us to Qingyuan, then from Qingyuan we back to immigration again. So today, this bus, we will be over moving home. Okay, so everybody, when you're eating, drinking after you have the dustbin, please keep it somewhere first. Later, I'm going to connect it, okay? So everybody just keep over moving home clearly, okay? Yes, this is the only thing, yeah, just to make it clearly. Everybody now, you sit this seat. Later, when we off the bus and we come again, the same seat, okay? Now today, the seat, it is fixed as now, okay? This is your fixed seat, okay? Yes. Only when you go get off here, you take your valuable things, cell phones, wallets, everything, okay? The things you don't need to use, you can keep on the seat, okay? Yes, just make sure the valuable things, yeah, take as belongings, yeah. Okay, so you see, in the money, everybody you have one VIP card, right? Yes. First, when you come to here, you will see most of my Maganda friends, your internet was blocked. Yes, no worries, but that's why we give you a VIP card. Open your VIP card. You see, we have two pages. Yes, in the VIP page, we have one people, one gentleman's name, Mr. Steven. Okay, so in case in emergency, any crisis, you find a local people do the body language like this. Yes, then ask them to making a call to Mr. Steven. You can mention him. We are follow 11th group, so he can find me. Okay, so no worries. That's why on the card you have this VIP card. And at the next page, we have more itinerary about here. Yeah, the tour. Yeah, so it's popular. When you're back to Hong Kong, when your next time your friend wants to visit here, you'll find the Hong Kong agent or Hong Kong agent to check to quotation more tours here. Okay, so we always we have the weekend. We have different tours here today. So today we go to Qingyuan. Some other groups there they go to Yingxian Resort. Yeah, so this is different. Different tours. You can check with the Hong Kong agent. They will suggest you. Okay, and at the same time, you see my friend. Most of my friend, everybody's of my friend here, your VIP, your passport and ID card, we already have you kept it, right? Do you know why? You see, last time we have one group come here. They come here for 9%. Yes. So when we back to immigration, they are still 9%. But one of the Maganda, she lost her passport. Yes. So the rest of the group visa, 8%, they also cannot be back to Hong Kong at the same time. Wow. You know why? Because we use the group visa. What is group visa? Group visa means group in and group out. Everybody should at the same time be the same places back to the immigration, past the immigration. So if anybody we lost the passport, the rest of us in the list also cannot go back to Hong Kong. Yes. Because you see, last time also we have one Maganda. She lost her wallet in the CR toilet in the somewhere in the same places. But because you know in CR no CCTV, right? Because it's a private places, right? So she cannot find her wallet. So yeah, so that's why we have to keep us. This is for one reason. The second reason is you see also our last group they come to 10% together. When we back to immigration, only 9%. One Maganda she followed a bookie. She went away with the bookie. You know why? The bookie promised her to take her a better job with better salary. Yeah, like that. But only after 18 hours. 8 hours, the policeman was caught her in the jail. More than 3 months is stayed in here, the jail. You know why? Because you see on the road, we very few to see policemen. Miss Shenzhen is a very safety city. Because on the road, we have lots of CCTV here, cameras here. We have the sky lamps here. So only 18 hours she was caught. Yeah, and at least 3 months. You see, right side we have the wheel, sky wheel. Same like in Hong Kong Central. You see, right side here. Oh, okay. Okay, so a little front, right side, we have the airport, Shenzhen Airport here. Yeah. So this area, right side, this area named Qianhai. This bridge was built on the sea area. Yeah, it's around more than 50 kilometers here on the bridge. But can you imagine, 46 years ago, here nothing, a small fisher village. Now it's a modern city. This area named Qianhai. Qianhai, we will build this places, same like in Hong Kong. The financial center, finance center, every day. Yeah. Okay, that's all my friend. First now we have around 2 hours to be the restaurant first. So now maybe we can have some activities first because everybody we came here, right? So let me check out later. I'm going to sing a song to us. Actually now.
Wala pa ngayon mga kasama natin. Nagsi-CR. Go, lakad! Go, 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 go! Go! Hawak ka sa akin. Hawak ka sa akin. Tara. Relax mo muna ako pag-ulan dyan.
大会游玩的游客都可以再往上面台阶上走啊，上面是瀑布花道最佳观景台。
One, two, three. Sister, right? 1, 2, 3. kita. Ah, ikaw video mo. Lang gamit mo ko. Go, lakad. Ikuhanan mo din ako ng video. Papunta. Sige na, doon. Mamaya doon. Ha?
Yung muna doon, sa pinakataas doon yung maganda yung view.
Kaya nga. Ay, 7 siya ni Mac, pero pababa na. Ganda kaya ng mga video nila. You are safe with her. You know? Always touching. Hindi ako nakakita niya talaga. Parehas kayo.
Ganda na siya.
Hindi ka dito.
Hey!
Ay, hindi ka sumunod sa taas? Ay, susunod pala siya dapat. Oo. Taas muna mo yung, ano. Halika na.
Wag!
Kunan mo yung, halika na. Halika na. Halika, dali. Dalawa tayo. Go! Dito! Hoy! Yan. Yan, okay lang go. Tara. Okay, go. Like, ganito. Ha?
Gawin ko na lang ito, yung one lang. Tako lang yung one na ito. Yan na side. Pwede na 1.5. Ano mo na kasi ito?
Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait ha.
Kita mo yung purple ko.
Okay. Lakad. Wait. Dahan-dahan. Huwag kang titingin sa baba pag natatakot ka. Huwag kang titingin sa baba. Shit. Huwag ka nga titingin sa baba.
Kaya nagkapusin yung mga ano ko.
Huwag kang ano. Malulubat na tayo. Go. Thank you. Go, una.
Parang ayaw niyang pahawak.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday. Ikaw na, hawak, dali. Andiyan na sila.
禁止停车拍照，感谢您的配合，各位游客。
Oh my God, ibaba mo. Yan. Ako na mag-drive. Pag napintaw ako yung cellphone ko. Hoy! Sarap-sarap eh. Game.
Go.
Magpapipita yung cellphone mo ah.
侠谁毛？
Sumisigaw ko natin. Gag! Ang cellphone, yung cellphone, gag. yan.
乘坐古龙峡
Drive
悬
it,
崖
quick.
飞车。
Hawakan mo maigi! Hawakan mo maigi, wag mo pipindutin yan! Hindi nila makikita. What the fuck? Andito na tayo! Ay, bilis! Oh, di ba? Ang sarap! Oh, di ba? Hindi na tayo nagpapamagkaw. Enjoy ka? Yeah! Wow! Ang sarap! Baba na daw. Nakasabit, nakasabit. Did you enjoy? Sarap, oh. Thank you. Damit ko yung